talking about there's an evil Koopa. How about I go check where he is? Yo, Koops! Yo, Koops, what? There's a new guy named Koopa and Friends. I wonder if he can be on our team, if you know what I mean. Oh, sure, he can be on our team. Yeah! Party! Duke! Duke! Oh, Duke! Come on, Koopa Troopa. You can meet Koopa and Friends in the other crowd. There it is. Oh, hey, Koopa and Friends. Yeah, hey. Yeah, hey. Mario, stop these crooks. I'm not Mario. I am Maury. And listen, you want to join our team? We're bad and tough, rough and buff, and blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, your mouth. Anyways, do you want to join our team? No way, I don't want to be any kind of evil. Come on, being evil is fun. You should try it. Ouch! You kidding me? Ugh! It was my chance. Cuddles, you're our own brother. How could you? You're our own brother. No. You're so mean. You're mean. I can't believe you and Magikarp are teaming up. Why? Because. Come. Help someone, please.